Today we will take some more problems on maxima and minima. Yes, the question is a wire of length 28 meter is to be cut into two pieces. One of the pieces is to be made into a square and other into a circle. What should be the length of the two pieces so that the combined area of square and the circle is minimum? Yes, a wire of length 28 meter is to be cut into two parts. So let length of first piece be x meter and this be made into a square. And length of the second piece be 28 minus x meters. Yes, total length of the wire is 28 meter. If one piece is x meter long, so other piece will be 28 minus x meter long. And let this piece of wire be made into a circle. Yes, so there is first piece of wire of length x meter and it is made into a square. And this is the second piece of wire of length 28 minus x meter and this be made into a circle. Now the question is, what should be the length of the two pieces so that the combined area of square and the circle is minimum? Yes, so first we have to find the area of the square. Area of square is equal to side square. So first we need to know that what will be the side of the square. So let side of the square be A. Now look here. This square is made up with this wire. So do you agree perimeter of the square will be equal to length of the wire? Now perimeter of square is 4 into side. So it will be 4 into A equals to length of the piece of the wire. Yes, the length of the wire in this case was x meter. So 4A is equal to x. So from here A is equal to x over 4. Now similarly, area of circle is pi into r squared, where r is the radius of the circle. So I need to know the value of r. So let the radius of the circle be r. Now again, this circle is made with this wire. So circumference of the circle, that is 2 pi r, will be equal to the length of this wire because this length has been shaped into a circle. So 2 pi r is equal to 28 minus x. From here, r will be equal to 28 minus x over 2 pi. Now, area of square will be a squared and yes, value of a is x over 4. So area of square will be equal to square of x by 4, that is x square over 16. Similarly, area of circle is pi into r square and where r is equal to this 28 minus 6 over 2 pi. So pi into 28 minus x over 2 pi whole squared. That can be written as pi into 28 minus x whole squared over 4 into pi square. This will get cancelled out. So I'll get 28 minus x whole square over 4 pi. So combined area of square and circle will be x square over 16. That is the area of square plus area of circle, which is 28 minus 6 whole squared over 4 pi. Now you can see it is a function of x. So I denote the combined area as ax. Now according to the question, I have to minimize this. So I'll find out the point of minima and for that I have to obtain the critical points. So I'll find out the first derivative. So I differentiate this function with respect to x. Derivative of x square over 16 will be 2x over 16, and derivative of this will be 2 into 28 minus 6 into minus 1 by chain rule derivative of this over 4 pi. I'll also calculate the second order derivative. So second order derivative will be 2 by 16 plus 2 over 4 pi. For critical points, put a dash x equal to 0. So I'll get 2x over 16 plus 2 into x minus 28 over 4 pi equals to 0. On simplification, I'll get x into pi plus 4 equals 112. So from here, x will be equal to 112 over pi plus 4. Now I will compute the value of the second order derivative at this critical point. Second order derivative is 2 over 16 plus 2 over 4 pi. So second order derivative at the critical point will be 2 over 16 plus 2 over 4 pi, and this is definitely greater than 0. So therefore x equal to 112 over pi plus 4 is the point of minima. So area is minimum when x is equal to 112 over pi plus 4. Now x was the length of the first piece of wire that was made into a square. So length of first piece is equal to x, which is 112 over pi plus 4 meter. So the length of the second piece will be 28 minus x. Put the value of x and simplify. You will get the length of the second piece as 28 pi over pi plus 4 meters. Let's take another question. A window is in the form of a rectangle surmounted by a semicircular opening. The total perimeter of the window is 10 meter. Find the dimensions of the window so as to admit maximum light through the whole opening. Window is in the form of a rectangle surmounted by a semicircular opening. So this will be the shape of the window. Now the question is, what should be the dimensions of the window so that maximum light enters through the whole opening? Now maximum light will enter when the area of this opening is maximum. So we have to maximize the area of this window. So let length of the rectangle be x meter and breadth of the rectangle be y meter. Now I have to maximize the area of this rectangle and the area of semicircle. That is the combined area of rectangle and semicircle. Area of rectangular part will be given by length into breadth, that is x into y meter squared. And area of semicircular part will be given by 1 by 2 pi r square, where r is the radius. Now look here, this semicircle is made on the side DC as the diameter. So length of the diameter will be equal to DC, which is equal to x. So if diameter is equal to x, then radius will be x over 2. So area of semicircular part will be 1 by 2 pi x over 2 whole squared. That is pi into x squared over 8 meter square. The combined area of the whole opening, that is the total area of the window, will be equal to area of the rectangular part, that is xy, plus area of the semicircular part, which is pi x square over 8. Now you can see there are two variables, x and y. So either I'll express x in terms of y or y in terms of x to reduce this expression in single variable, right? Now, according to the question, perimeter of the window is 10 meter. Perimeter means the length of the outer boundary. So when I'll compute the perimeter of the window, what all will be included? This length plus this length and this length. So this plus this plus this plus this is equal to 10 meter. Yes, this is a semicircle, so its length will be given by pi r, where r is x over 2. So perimeter will be x plus y plus pi x over 2, and this total length is given to be 10 meter. So I'll get x plus 2y plus pi x over 2 equals 10. On taking the LCM, I'll get 2x plus 4y plus pi x equals 10. That is 2x plus 4y plus pi x equal 20. From here, I'll get the expression of y. So y will be equal to 20 minus 2x minus pi x over 4. Now I will put this value of y here. Using 2 in 1, I'll get a equals x into 20 minus 2x minus pi x over 4 plus pi x square over 8. Now you can see there is only one variable, so area will be a function of x. Let's simplify this. I'll get 20x minus 2x square minus pi x square over 4 plus pi x square over 8. And that will give you 40x minus 4x square minus 2 pi x square plus pi x square over 8. I'll combine these two. So I'll get 40x minus 4x square minus pi x square over 8. Now this is the area of the whole window which I need to maximize. So I'll get the critical points, and to get the critical points I'll find the derivative. So I differentiate this with respect to x. So derivative will be, derivative of 40x will be 40. Here I'll get 8x and it will be 2 pi x. So a dash x is 1 by 8 into 40 minus 8x minus 2 pi x. I also compute the second order derivative, which is 1 by 8. Derivative of 40 is 0. Derivative of minus 8x will be minus 8. And derivative of minus 2 pi x will be minus 2 pi. For critical points, I'll put a dash x equal to 0. That is 1 by 8 into 40 minus 8x minus 2 pi x is 0. From here, I get the value of x as 20 over pi plus 4. Right? So this is the critical point. Now I will compute the value of the second order derivative at this critical point. So value of the second order derivative at 20 over pi plus 4 will be minus 1 by 8 into 8 plus 2 pi, which is less than 0. So therefore this critical point is a point of maxima. So area is maximum when x is 20 over pi plus 4. So maximum light will enter through the hole opening when x is 20 over pi plus 4. Now I have to get the value of y. Yes, y is given by this. So from 2, value of y will be 1 by 4, 20 minus, yes, put the value of x, which is 20 over pi plus 4, minus pi x, which is again 20 over pi plus 4. On taking the LCM, I'll get here 20 pi plus 80 minus 40 minus 20 pi. This will get cancelled out. Here I'll get 40 over pi plus 4. This will get cancelled out. So y will be equal to 10 over pi plus 4. So the dimensions are, length is 20 over pi plus 4 meter, breadth is 10 over pi plus 4 meter. And when this will happen, maximum light will enter the window.